All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Ilan Sobel. He's the CEO of BioHarvest Sciences. And Ilan, it's good to have you back again. How are you?
Steve, I'm doing great, and it's always a pleasure to be back on your show.
Yeah, well, you've got some news out about a certification you've got for your new building. We'll talk about that in just a second. But I think it's important to sort of take us back on a bit of a history lesson here, because this journey for the new building really started over a year ago. Is that right?
Correct. Literally, pretty much to the day, about 13 months ago, we made a commitment to our shareholder partners that we would be building a 20+ ton facility here in Israel for our polyphenol antioxidant vertical to be able to manufacture a VINIA red grape cell product, as well as our future pipeline of products. It was audacious, it was bold, it was big, specifically to build this kind of facility in 12 months. And I'm super proud, Steve, of the team and our partners at Sugat, our manufacturing partners. We have built this facility. We have received all the regulations from the Israeli Ministry of Health to right now start producing. And we've actually commenced the biological transfer of the technology. And we've started actually to grow our cells at this facility. And we've done it in record timing with a budget of approximately $3 million in a year where I think everybody understands the challenges and the havoc from a supply chain perspective that every company is dealing with. And I'm super proud because it just demonstrates the ability of the management team here, the team that I'm surrounded with, to be able to operationalize strategy and execute flawlessly.
Ilan, why is it so important to have manufacturing where you are? Why not sort of send that out to somebody else? Why is it that it's important, and especially with this GMP certification, which you received?
So obviously, with our unique proprietary technology, this is something that we want to make sure remains unique and proprietary, and therefore the controlling of the manufacturing is an important part for us. In addition, obviously, our company is anchored in quality management, and that's what the ISO 22000 and ISO 9001 is all about. And we want to be able to make sure we're controlling all aspects of our quality management system. What this facility gives us now is oxygen. This gives us the oxygen to really start to step change to the next level. We've already done it this year with consecutive quarters of growth on our VINIA business here in Israel, and a fantastic start in the US. But we were always held back, specifically in the US, because of a lack of manufacturing capacity, because we were literally, as I say, hand to mouth with our facility here, our 2-ton facility, actually, which is where I am right now. And now with the new 20+ ton facility starting the technological transfer process, and we'll be really starting to drive the scale-up process over the next 3 to 4 months, it gives us that critical oxygen to really start to unleash the power of VINIA in markets like specifically the US, starting end of first quarter, early second quarter next year. So that's super exciting. It's also very important for us as we navigate through the regulatory process for the EU and the UK. And then from a B2B perspective, Steve, we've had a fantastic run in this area. Strategic partners like Designs for Health, who is one of the major nutraceutical suppliers direct to doctors and nutritionists. We are now featured as a critical active ingredient in 3 of their products. So we expect this business to continue to grow. So we now have that critical oxygen to be able to grow based on the demand and not to be constrained based on supply.
All right, makes a lot of sense. Ilan, thank you so much. Great to catch up with you, and congratulations on the new facility.
Thank you, Steve.
All right, Ilan Sobel, the CEO of BioHarvest Sciences.